The clip you're seeing right now of this lens is being filmed with this lens. This is the 28 to 70 f3.5 to 5.6 for Sony, and I want to show you what that 3.5 to 5.6 means. So as you can see right now, we are at f/3.5. We're shooting in manual mode, and as I zoom in from 28 millimeters to 70, you're going to see that f number automatically change. So there it goes to f4. Now we're at f4.5. We're at f5. And then when I zoom all the way to 70, it's going to go to 5.6. Now that's because 5.6 is the minimum aperture when we zoom in. If it has the f number, which in this case is 3.5, and then dash, that means that's the minimum depending on how you're zoomed in. So when you're at 28, you're going to be at f3.5. When you're at 70, you're going to be at f5.6. And even if I spin the aperture ring, I cannot turn that down. You can see I can go higher numbers, but I can't go lower. And lower usually gives blurrier. But also by zooming in, you get a nice blurry background. So you can see that this actually blurs pretty well. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to place my iPhone behind this lens, and you can see that the iPhone is blurred out. Now, I do have my camera set to continuous focus, so as long as I have the focus up here in the front of the frame, which I'm going to have right now, you can see that the iPhone is nicely blurred, even though we're at f5.6. And if I zoom out, so then we get to f3.5. See, I'm going to go to 3.5, and we have a nice blur as well. So don't think that you can't get bokeh or blur with a 3.5 lens. You can see right now we're at 3.5. We're focused on the iPhone. If we were to focus on the lens instead, let me transfer my focus point. 1 second. Then we'll get a nice blurry background. So don't think that this lens cannot get blurry backgrounds, because it totally can, and I recommend it.